For many people, it felt as though humanity had finally built the ultimate eye in space. But astronomy never stands still. Just as Webb began rewriting our understanding of the universe, NASA started preparing another mission, one with a completely different purpose. Not a telescope designed to look farther than Webb, or produce sharper close-up images, but one built to answer questions Webb was never meant to ask. Instead of examining a single extraordinary object, it will observe millions and eventually billions at the same time. Rather than looking deeper into one tiny patch of sky, it will survey enormous regions of the universe, searching for patterns that have remained hidden simply because no telescope has ever observed enough of the cosmos at once. That observatory is the Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope. And many astronomers believe it could become one of the most important space missions of this century. At first glance, Roman does not seem particularly impressive. Its primary mirror measures 2.4 meters across, the same size as Hubble's and much smaller than James Webb's 6.5-meter mirror. Judging by mirror size alone, it might even seem like a step backward. But that comparison completely misses the point. Roman was never designed to compete with Webb. It was designed to do something Webb cannot. Its greatest strength is an incredibly wide field of view. In a single observation, Roman can capture an area of sky roughly 100 times larger than James Webb while maintaining exceptional image quality. Imagine trying to photograph an entire mountain range. Webb focuses on one spectacular mountain, revealing every ridge and valley in astonishing detail. Roman captures the entire landscape, showing how every mountain connects to the next. Neither telescope replaces the other. Together, they revealed two completely different views of the universe. That difference changes the science completely. James Webb specializes in studying individual galaxies, distant exoplanets, and some of the earliest structures formed after the Big Bang. Roman, however, is designed to study the universe as a whole. The greatest mysteries in cosmology cannot be solved by examining one galaxy at a time. They require enormous surveys containing millions or even billions of galaxies. Only then do hidden patterns begin to emerge. Roman was built for exactly that purpose. Instead of asking what one galaxy looks like, it asks how billions of galaxies behave together across cosmic history. That question leads directly to one of the biggest mysteries in modern science. Everything we can see, every star, planet, galaxy, cloud of gas, and every atom that makes up life itself, accounts for only about 5% of the universe. The remaining 95% appears to consist of two invisible components known as dark matter and dark energy. Scientists know they exist because their effects can be measured. But what they actually are remains one of the greatest unanswered questions in physics. Dark matter first revealed itself through gravity. When astronomers measured how galaxies rotate, they discovered that the visible matter inside them simply could not generate enough gravity to hold them together. The outer stars were moving far too quickly. According to our calculations, they should have escaped into space long ago. But they never did. Something invisible appeared to provide additional gravitational pull. Astronomers called that unseen component dark matter. Even today, no one knows exactly what it is. Dark energy is even more mysterious. Observations show that the universe is not merely expanding, it is expanding faster over time. Some unknown force appears to be driving space itself apart. Whether that force is a property of empty space, a sign that gravity behaves differently across cosmic distances, or evidence of entirely new physics remains unknown. This is where Roman becomes truly revolutionary. It was designed specifically to investigate these invisible components of the universe. Not by photographing dark matter directly. That is impossible. Instead, Roman measures how dark matter bends the light from galaxies lying far behind it. According to Einstein's general theory of relativity, mass curves spacetime, and light follows those curves. As light from distant galaxies passes through enormous concentrations of hidden matter, their images become ever so slightly stretched and distorted. The effect is incredibly small. Looking at a few galaxies tells astronomers very little. Looking at billions changes everything. Roman will measure the shapes of roughly 2 billion galaxies, creating the largest gravitational lensing survey ever attempted from space. Those tiny distortions will allow astronomers to construct enormous three-dimensional maps of dark matter across the universe, revealing the invisible cosmic framework that has shaped galaxies for billions of years. And that is only the beginning. Because while Roman is mapping the hidden structure of the universe, it will also begin answering another mystery just as profound. What is driving the universe to expand faster with every passing? Roman's survey is not limited to mapping dark matter. At the same time, it will measure how the universe has expanded over nearly 10 billion years, giving astronomers one of the most detailed records ever created of cosmic evolution. By observing thousands of exploding stars known as Type Ia supernovae, along with the large-scale distribution of galaxies, Roman will help determine whether dark energy has behaved the same throughout cosmic history or whether its influence has changed over time. That distinction could reshape our understanding of the universe. If dark energy behaves exactly as Einstein predicted, one of modern cosmology's greatest ideas will become even stronger. But if the measurements reveal unexpected differences, they could point toward entirely new physics beyond our current theories. Either outcome would be a major scientific breakthrough. Roman's mission extends far beyond cosmology. During its observations, the telescope will continuously monitor nearly 100 million stars toward the center of our galaxy. Its goal is to detect a phenomenon called microlensing. When a star or planet passes directly in front of a more distant star, its gravity briefly bends and magnifies the background light. If a planet is present, it creates a small but recognizable signature within that brightening. Unlike missions such as Kepler or TESS, which mainly discover planets crossing in front of their stars, microlensing can detect colder and more distant worlds that are often impossible to find using other techniques. Scientists expect Roman to discover thousands of new exoplanets, including many that may resemble the outer planets of our own solar system. These discoveries will help reveal how common planetary systems like ours really are throughout the Milky Way. Yet history suggests Roman's greatest discoveries may be the ones nobody expects. Every major space telescope has uncovered surprises. Hubble revealed an accelerating universe. James Webb discovered galaxies that appeared more mature than many astronomers anticipated in the early universe. Roman will survey the sky on an unprecedented scale, making unexpected discoveries almost inevitable. It may detect unusual gravitational lenses, rare cosmic explosions, entirely new classes of astronomical objects, or phenomena that scientists have not even imagined yet. That is often how astronomy moves forward. The universe rarely limits itself to the questions we prepare to ask. Perhaps Roman's greatest strength is not that it replaces James Webb. It completes it. Roman will scan enormous regions of the sky, identifying the most interesting galaxies, unusual events, and mysterious structures. James Webb can then turn its powerful mirror toward those targets, examining them in extraordinary detail. One telescope finds the mysteries. The other investigates them. Together, they create a far more powerful observatory than either could become alone. That partnership marks the beginning of a new era in astronomy. For decades, scientists have often been forced to choose between studying individual objects in great detail or surveying vast areas with limited precision. Roman and Webb finally allow both approaches to work together. One reveals the universe on its largest scales. The other uncovers its finest details. In the end, Roman is not simply another space telescope. It represents a new way of exploring the cosmos. Rather than focusing on isolated discoveries, it will measure the universe as a connected system, revealing how billions of galaxies, invisible dark matter, and mysterious dark energy shape the evolution of everything we see. With surveys spanning 2 billion galaxies, observations of 100 million stars, and the ability to uncover patterns no previous mission could detect, Roman promises to answer some of astronomy's biggest questions while almost certainly raising entirely new ones. And perhaps that is the most exciting part. When Roman launches, humanity will not simply gain another telescope. We will gain a new perspective on the universe itself. For the first time, we may begin to see not only the individual pieces of the cosmic puzzle, but the larger picture they have been forming all along.